Well, everybody, it's been over a month and I'm already preparing, drinking the blood on the streets. Check this out. December 17th and 18th, we got the past FOMC and the price dropped from 107,000, 105,000. And I'm already looking ahead to what Jerome Powell is going to say. So by the end of this video, I just want to prepare you. Get ready. It's going to happen regardless. We'll be live. It's going to be fun. It's exciting to see what the market reacts, especially now that Trump is president, because right here, Biden was president. But now, as you can tell, you're seeing the price of Bitcoin. Now we got a new president, but instead of the price of Bitcoin going exploding per se, right? What we did was putting an all-time high of 109, but we are at 102, which means it provides more opportunities to buy the dip in other different cryptos and Bitcoin and whichever main crypto, XRP, Ethereum, what have you. But what's going to happen tomorrow? Are we going to go down to the high 90s? The lowest we have seen Bitcoin go is 97 because of DeepSeek. And prior to that, 89,000 on the 13th. But other than that, I mean, it's been good. Donald J. Trump took the presidency on the 20th right here, and the lowest was 99. So if it wasn't for DeepSeek, I mean, honestly, we're solid. So there's a higher chance for the price of crypto to hold, get boring, or do very well tomorrow. But it all depends on what Jerome Powell is going to say. Tell me in the comments right now, are you bearish? Are you bullish? Drop a like, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. I got a few things that I'm going to show you. One that I think it makes everybody really happy because it's funny. Former SEC chairman Gary Gensler will go back to teach. And everybody's already making fun of it. Everybody's like, no way, dude. Even Charles Hoskinson is like, can I pay to go and smile at you in class? Obviously, people are excited to see him leave the SEC. Tomorrow, 2:30 p.m., 1:30 p.m. Central, guys, will be watching and listening. So, in all seriousness, don't really matter what happens. I think even if we do go down because of, look, let me open up this one. It's on my charts. We're looking at the inflation data. This is the core inflation, the last one for the month of December, right? It was reported in January. We got 3.2% core inflation. So we are still in the 3%. We're not under under 3, which that's somewhat the goal for the Fed, for Jerome Powell. So that's, not growing exponentially, right? But if we go to inflation, I'm going to show you right now, year over year, we are in a way heading higher from 2.5, 2.4 in September all the way to December 2.9. This is the real data of what's going on. So Jerome Powell has to make a choice. And if I do this and do FOMC, what are the predictions right now? Fed decision. Polling market users are forecasting a 98% likelihood that the Fed will keep rates unchanged. So as of right now, 19 hours ago, rate unchanged. So new probabilities of the Fed rate moves for the January 29 meeting, 97% no change. So no change will mean that we kind of don't move the needle much. Like it's all like, okay, whatever, not much going on. They don't want to move they don't want to keep printing. They don't want to, alter the markets much. Just no change. I agree with that. It will just kind of let the price continue whatever it wants to do. Because here we had a change. He cut. The price went down. But he said that there was going to be only 2 cuts instead of 3 cuts or more in 2025. So he's going to find the right FOMC meeting to do those cuts. So kind of like prepare for what could happen. But tomorrow should be fun. It's going to be exciting. A lot of volatility, uncertainty. I think Bitcoin right now is still holding pretty nice. It's been more than 1 month, guys. I was here watching the last one under Biden, and it was so cool. I remember, it was like, okay, we're good, 106, one or something, and boom, 92. And that happened after the FOMC, like a day after the FOMC. Like during the FOMC, everything was chill, but then it started to go down, 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 and people lost their minds. To that I say, scare money don't make money. And I'm buying and trading and holding. Click the first link down below and join me on BTCC. If you haven't already, guys, it will look something like this, where you will find my link, my code, my info. There's my code. Takes a few seconds to join. And well, there's a bunch of greatness, right? Lower fees to 10,000 per user, guys, and a bunch of leverage if you're in, because a lot of people were making money after the DeepSeek, right? So if you take a look at this one, it come back for the price of Bitcoin from 97 all the way to 103. Or if you want something even better, if you take a look at XRP, right? 265 all the way to 3.21. So there's a chance to always make money. And the price of XRP right now maintains at a green candle, which that's really positive. So I like it. So far, I'm not complaining. I think so far it should all be fine if he leaves the rate unchanged, right? Look, this was back 2023. Man, I was super young back in the day. The point is that we were still covering the FOMC meetings back in the day, and time has changed for a lot of the times. Oh man, can't believe it. I don't want to see myself back in the days. So the point is, guys, whatever, bring it. It should all be fine as long as, the price of crypto continues well above the $3 trillion. We haven't really moved that way, the needle. And the price of BTC is still at 6 digits, crazy. But Ethereum is just nowhere to be found. Ethereum really has to move, because assuming that Bitcoin is going to add another trillion, it will be the greatest joke ever to see Ethereum still at 300 billion and Bitcoin at 3 trillion, because that's a 10x, literally 10x. Price of BTC at 3 trillion is going to be $160,000, man. At 3 trillion, market cap. So Ethereum really has to wake up to the fact that it's fallen behind, right? That's why XRP is getting closer, just $200 billion away from Ethereum. $200 billion. Isn't that cool? So fam, get ready. And things are going to change very fast. Join me on BTCC, link down below. Take a look at the news, at the updates. Let me know your comments in the down below, and I'll see you next time. Less than 24 hours. Get ready. This is going to be good. Peace.